In this video, we will be seeing how to make a delicious and nice looking pav bhaji at home. Hi all, welcome back to Dhruv's Kitchen. In this video, we will be seeing how to make a tasty and delicious pav bhaji at home. And if you are new to the channel, kindly like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel for getting more interesting videos. So let's start the recipe. So friends, these are the ingredients. 3 finely smashed potatoes, 2 finely chopped onions, 2 finely chopped tomatoes. This is small capsicum which have been smashed. This is pav. This is 2 tablespoons of butter. I'll be adding it more by going forward in this recipe. 2 teaspoons of kasturi methi. This is lemon, turmeric powder, coriander, salt, red chili powder, and this is pav bhaji masala. These 6 are as per your taste. Let's start the recipe. So friends, our pan has got heated. Now let's add butter into it. Now let's give 1 to 2 minutes for melting it down. So our butter has started getting melted. Now let's add a part of onion. Let it get cooked. You need to keep in low flame for some time. Let's cook for some time. The raw smell from it should go away. Let's add a part of tomato on it. Now let's cook it. Don't overcook your vegetables. Let's sort our vegetables nicely for 2 to 3 minutes. Add turmeric powder into it and sort it for 1 to 2 minutes on it. Sort it nicely. Let's add potatoes into our veggies and mix it down. Let's stir it nicely for 30 seconds to 1 minute. Add our smashed capsicum onto it. Stir it just for 15 to 30 seconds. Let's add water onto it for making the potato dilute so that we get our bhaji nicely. Stir it nicely for 1 to 2 minutes. So we have made our bhaji a bit dilute but needs more water, so we'll be pouring it later. Add chili powder into it. The raw smell of the chili powder must be gone, so we need to sort it very well. I hope still we need water for it, so let's add the remaining water and sort it well to get a perfect bhaji. Now let's add salt into it for making it cook a bit faster. Salt is as per your taste. Now let's stir it nicely for 45 seconds to 1 minute. Now let's add pav bhaji masala onto it. You need to stir it very well till the raw smell of it goes away. Now I am getting a superb aroma from it, but still let's cook it nicely. Last but not the least, let's add kasturi methi onto it and sort it nicely. Now it's time for adding butter into our bhaji and let's give a good mix. Mix it very well and now we can off our flame. Now let's keep our bhaji aside and make our pav. So I have taken a non-stick pan for getting our pav ready. Let's give some time to the pan so that the pan gets heated. So let's add some butter on tawa. Give some time for letting the butter melted. So our butter is getting melted. Let's take a pav and cut it into 2 pieces. Now let's add our pav into the butter. Make your pav to spread with the butter. Now let's add butter on it. Give some time for the pav for turning it in golden color. Leave the pav till the pav gets in golden brown color. So you can see that our pav has got the crispy golden color. Now let's remove it from the pan. Don't overheat the pav as the pav will get hard. So our homemade pav bhaji is ready. Now let's have a taste from it. Now you can see that my pav is very soft. Now let's have a taste from it.
It's very yummy. It is superb soft. Our pav is superb soft. So
I hope you will be trying this recipe at home, as it can be a best snacks in the evening. Kindly try this recipe.
So friends, I hope you would have liked this recipe. If you have liked this recipe, kindly like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel for getting more interesting videos. So let's meet in another interesting recipe. Bye.